Ladies and gentlemen, let me just quickly show you how to transfer Skrill funds to Neteller. You'll have to go to your Skrill account on a desktop computer. And now I'm on my Skrill account right now. As you can see, I'm on the browser right now. I mean on a browser. Even if you are using a mobile phone or Android, you have to go to the browser, maybe Google Chrome or any other browser that you have. Then what you do now is you go to withdraw, click on withdraw. As I'm clicking now, so as you can see now, you can withdraw to bank account, you can withdraw to debit card, you can withdraw to Neteller. But what I want to do now is to click on withdraw now. You can see the fee 3.49%. Then I have my limit. As per what I have there, minus the fee is $1.09. 0.9 cents. So now let's go. So I will have to fill in the limit. As you can see, this is my limit. Oh, sorry. This is my total balance in the account, but this is the limit I can withdraw minus fee. So what I'm going to do now is to fill in that amount, 1.09. Then I need to put in a valid Neteller email address. I'm going to put my moneyfort@gmail.com and I click on next. It's asking question, withdraw to moneyfort@gmail.net. So as you can see, the fee is here and the total I will get is 1.13. So I click on confirm. So check your phone. That has not come. Good. Confirm login. I click on that. Confirm login to Skrill. Yes, log me in. That's for security reason, to know whether the withdrawal successful. At this junction, it will be very good for me to actually confirm the transfer from Skrill to Neteller. So I'm on my, let me just go click on my app right now, and I will just quickly log in. Okay, I'll just quickly log in, just a minute. Yeah, now I'm logging to my account. I'm logged in already to my account. As you can see, this is my Naira balance. So I scroll to USD. As you can see, that I transferred 1.09 USD, and that's what you can see here. And if you look at my transaction details below, you will see it as the first one, Skrill deposit, 22nd June 2023, 1.09, and that's just a confirmation that that works. Is actually instant. Thank you very much.